So now we're going to take a closer look at this first second grade writing unit. And whenever you scroll down to the bottom of one of these overview pages, you have both a resources link and a unit link with the lesson plans. We'll take a look at this unit, and I have with us today Rose Olson, elementary teacher at Twin Lake Elementary in Reese Puffer.
Unit 1 in these second grade writing units builds upon the foundation that has been started in kindergarten and first grade. Second graders will revisit and revise small moment stories. The goal of this unit is for students to lift the level of their personal narrative to more fully engage and inform an audience. Special attention will be given to routines and rituals in order to develop a community of independent writers. Students will navigate through the process of generating ideas, rehearsing, drafting, rereading, revising, and starting a new piece. At the end of the unit, students will choose a piece to revise more deeply and share with an audience. Each of these units has a resource packet that you will want to use as you teach the unit. You will want to look at this packet prior to the unit so that you can prepare materials ahead of time as needed. This packet contains examples of anchor charts to be used throughout the unit, as well as sample paper choices that you will want to copy and have the students use. In the Professional Resources section, you will see resources listed from Lucy Calkins and her colleagues at the Teachers College. The original units are a nice resource to keep handy, but you will also want to look at her newly released Common Core aligned materials if possible for the latest updates on checklists and rubrics. It will be up to you and your district to decide what you will use as your main source for your assessment materials. Each unit begins with an on-demand writing assessment, which you will give as a baseline to base your instruction for the rest of the unit. The next part of the unit is called the immersion phase. This phase will help students develop a solid understanding of the unit to come. You will notice that some of the pages are blank. It is up to you to decide how many sessions you will need in this phase based on your on-demand samples. When you get to the first session, you will notice that it is written in a very teacher-friendly format. Be sure to read each section of the lesson, especially the tips section, which you will probably want to read at least the day before you teach the lesson. When teaching each session, be sure to include all the parts of the mini lesson, as each one plays a critical role, even the share that ends each session. You and your district colleagues will want to decide whether or not you will want to conduct another on-demand assessment to end each unit or wait until the end of the genre-specific section.